I've been thinking about camping in the back of my truck for a while, and last year my friend Aaron wanted to go camping for his bachelor party. So it was the perfect time to get started on this project. I got it to the point where I could sleep in the back, but it was very temporary. I had wax canvas fabric velcroed on the sides and back, and it worked well, but didn't last long because of the wind. The camping trip was a success, and now that I have time, I can get back to where I left off, so hopefully in the spring I can start camping in this thing. I was really inspired by Ripcord's build thread on Tacoma World and the truck bed camping group on Facebook, where people really showed what's possible in a truck bed. I knew a rooftop tent was out of my budget, and I'm not even sure if I need that much space for a weekend trip that maybe happens twice a month. But before making a cap, I waited months before the bachelor party for a fiberglass cap to come up on Marketplace. But everything was either too expensive or too far for me to get. So having a deadline, I decided to start gathering materials to just start this project. To keep costs down, I bought a lot of the metal from local welding shops. They usually have some sort of drop cut bin, and if you do need any full lengths, they are so much cheaper than any big box store, where the markup on metal is ridiculous. So the main frame consists of 1 3/4" square tubing, 16th wall, 1/8" angle iron in various sizes, and 1/8" flat bar. The roof is 1/2" plywood painted with exterior paint, and the front panel was 1/8" MDF board. But both of these are temporary solutions, and in the video I'm going to start with replacing the front panel with these acrylic panels that I got from work. These panels are actually cut-offs from acrylic walls we use for our shower systems. I'm not sure how well they'll hold up with UV and heat, but since they're free, it's worth a shot. They're light, easy to cut. They're about 1/8 inch thick and relatively durable. But I'm thinking of using this with a mix of XPS foam, kind of sandwiched together, to stiffen them up and insulate them, because these panels by themselves are pretty flimsy without any support behind them. So I'm using rivets as well as black RTV to seal up and attach the panels onto the frame. You can also use 3M double-sided tape, but the rivets and RTV are something I just have in the garage already, so it's what I'm going to use. So these videos aren't meant to be a tutorial on how to build a truck camper, but it's just my process of how I'm building one, and hopefully it inspires you to start your own project and build something like this, and hopefully you can take away something from these videos. I'll leave a link in the description for some of the Facebook groups that I follow. There's a lot of good information out there about building one of these, and it's a good community to join just to see what people are up to. You really get inspired by some of the things that people create. And of course, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.